Hey guys, it's Livian. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make a fitted gown with lycra material. It's a stretchy material, as you can see, it's stretching. So firstly, I cut my material into two and I folded it into two again to get this one is for the back and this one is for the front. So yes, folded it like this. So I'll be measuring out. This gown is a fitted gown, and since it's lycra, it is lycra, not I did not give it any zip allowance. I did not give it any zip allowance because I'm not going to put in zip. So for the neck, yes, for the neck I'll be cutting out 4 inches because that's how wide I want the neck to be. For the width of the neck, I'll be cutting out 4 inches. Then for the length, I'll be giving it 4 inches. I'm going to be making a round neck, so I'll have to curve it out from here to get that round neck I want. Yes. So also for the shoulder is 3 inches and half, so I'm putting in 3 inches and half here to get my shoulder, and then I'll slant it using 1 inch, putting 1 inch here, then I'll connect it from here and slant it, and then my armhole I'll be using 8 inches. Yes, so this is 8 inches. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is what I'm going to be cutting out. This is the slant and this thing. So now that we've gotten the neck and the armhole and the shoulder, the next thing we're going to be doing now is to get the measurement of the bust, the waist, and the hips. So firstly, for the bust, measure from the shoulder to the bust is 10. So this is 10. This is 10 for the shoulder, from the shoulder to the bust, 10. Then the measurement of the bust is 35. 35 divided by 4 is 8.5. You have to divide each measurement by 4 because the material is folded by 4. So it's 8.5. So 8.5. This is 8.5. So I'll be adding 1 inch allowance. You don't need to add too much allowance because it's lycra, it's stretchy. So you just add 1 inch allowance. Yeah. 10. Yeah. Yeah. And for the waist, from the shoulder to the waist, we have 15. This is 15 here. And then waist measurement is 29. 29 divided by 4, we have 7.5. 7.5 with 1 inch seam allowance. So we are done with it. So this is how it will look like. Something like this, like this. We've cut this dress according to the measurement of the person we are making it for. So here. So guys, now that we are through with cutting the main part of this dress, we'll be cutting out the sleeve. It's a straight, simple sleeve. So for that, I've folded my material into two. I cut it into two first of all, and then I folded it into two. So any measurement we are using, we are going to be dividing it into two. So for the armhole, the measurement is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So here we have 8. Seam allowance, we put in 1 inch seam allowance. Then for the slanting, we're using 1.5 to slant the armhole. 1.5. So the roundness of the sleeve is 12.5 inches. Divided by 2, 6. We're having 6.2 with 1 inch seam allowance. That is 7.2. Then the length of the sleeve is 10 inches. So measure it out like this. Measure it out like this. Then you connect. Mind you, while connecting your sleeve, you have to slant them when you are going down, because the roundness of the sleeve, the down part of the arm is usually smaller than the upper part of the arm. So you also need to measure that, of which I measured it, and then it gave me, the measurement is 9 inches divided by 2, which is 4.5, but I'm going to give it 5. I'm going to give it 5. 1 inches allowance, 1 inches allowance. So I've connected them like this. So this is the slant. From here, you slant it down to the upper part of the sleeve for your armhole. To get your armhole, you have to slant it up like so. So now I'll be cutting it out.
I'm cutting it out. And don't forget to add your seam allowance for the sleeve, because you're going to hem the edges, so you have to add your seam allowance. So here we have the sleeve. So you just put it out and keep it one side.
So guys, as you can see, we are almost through with this dress. Here we have the neckline, which I hemmed. Instead of using bias to turn it, I hemmed it, and this is how it looks like, as you can see it. And for the arm, I hemmed the down part of the sleeve, and I'll be fixing this part like this. I'll be fixing it like this, like so. I'll fix it up like this in a bit. As you can see it. And here's the second sleeve of this dress. This is the down part of the dress, which I hemmed. See? Can you see it? I hemmed this place, so the down part of the dress will be looking like this. So I'll be showing you guys in a bit after I attach the sleeves to this dress. So guys, as you can see, we are through with this dress. I have attached the sleeves. Can you see it? So this is how the dress looks like. Yes, so we are through with this video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video. You can also comment if you don't understand anything or there's something you want me to know. You can comment and I will answer you guys. Thank you for watching.